bringing in Chief Meteorologist Bannin. So we really need the rain. We know it's not going to be a lot in the coming days, but we might see some.
It slowly adds up too. We've got some decent rain chances ahead. Even if you don't get rain tomorrow, you've got more chances Thursday, Friday, even this weekend and next week. The situation right now, there's a lot of storms up near North Texas, but our focus, at least for our storm chances tomorrow and Thursday, is going to be the position of the dry line. The dry line's the boundary between pretty humid air to the east of it, a much drier air to the west of it. And storms had fired up along the dry line and are now moving east and then sort of fading. But this area of low pressure currently spinning over northeastern Arizona, that's going to be moving east, and it'll help to move the dry line farther east tomorrow into central Texas. And we think that should provide enough lift, at least for the potential for some storms. There's going to be some mitigating factors that may reduce the coverage of storms as well. So it's not a cut and dry forecast, but here's what we're looking at right now for your Wednesday morning. A few spotty showers, a lot of clouds tomorrow morning. A couple of spotty showers through the middle of the day, some sprinkles. Anything that falls first half of the day should be very light. We'll also see gradually increasing sun as we get into the afternoon. Now, late tomorrow afternoon into the evening, we'll be seeing whether these little spotty showers could blossom into some thunderstorms. The general thought is that we may get 1 or 2 thunderstorms to pop up, but the highest chances for severe storms in a more widespread way is going to be to the north of us. So we may get our 1 or 2, and it's a little tough to figure out where that 1 or 2 would pop up, but the higher coverage of rain and storms will be to the north of us. So we only think about 40% of the area will get some rain or thunderstorms to amount to anything measurable during the day tomorrow. Then we go into Thursday, low clouds to start the day again, perhaps a couple of sprinkles. Sun comes out for the afternoon, and then once again late afternoon, the potential for a few showers and storms to form here as we get into Thursday evening. The coverage for these may be decent according to this model, but not all models are on board with this amount of rain and storms into Thursday evening. So the way that we're thinking about it right now is just that 40% of us get rain and storms tomorrow, with clouds giving way to afternoon sun, 88 and breezy. There is a severe weather risk tomorrow. Wherever storms develop in the afternoon, if they do, they could turn strong or severe. A level 1 out of 5 severe weather risk for most of us, with the exception of northern Lampasas County, into a 2 out of 5. Large hail damaging wind would be the primary concern both tomorrow and also on Thursday. But Thursday's rain coverage, we're thinking on balance, is around 40% as well. Still morning clouds, afternoon sun. Much higher rain chances come on Friday. And we think when we add up the rain through Friday, 1/4 inch to 1 inch for most of us, but there could be some locally higher, say 2 or 3 inch amounts if some areas can get some repeat thunderstorms. The reason Friday's rain chances are higher, a cold front dropping from north to south through the area should provide much more lift than what we're expecting here the next couple of days. So here's a look at our first warning weather 7-day forecast. That cold front Friday is going to linger around on Saturday, still keeping the rain and storm coverage decent, although severe weather chances go down here Friday and Saturday. Low 20% rain chances Sunday, Monday, but more opportunities for rain next Tuesday, and the extended outlook staying wetter than normal.